Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2026 Chevrolet Traverse? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box supplies and protects power to critical components, such as the engine control systems, lighting, and safety features. It prevents damage from electrical overloads while ensuring reliable operation of essential vehicle functions. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box powers and safeguards interior systems like the infotainment, climate control, and dashboard electronics. It ensures smooth operation of cabin features while protecting circuits from electrical faults. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box distributes power to rear-end features such as the tailgate, rear climate controls, and trailer connections. It protects these systems from overloads and maintains reliable functionality. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.